Welcome to this new video. In this video I went to an amusement park in Belgium for 5 days with my best friend Dries.
You out of my mind.
So we took the train in Brussels and went off for a great trip.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like
When we were finally there, we went to the grocery store.
Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
On day 2 we went to an aqua park outside.
Let's go!
And then we went on a cycling trip